I'm going to upset a lot of people because this is a very unpopular opinion. But yes, you can be an online fitness coach even though you don't have a qualified certification as a PT. Just like you can own part of an accountancy firm without being an accountant, just like you can own part of a lawyer's firm without being an actual lawyer. I mean, I'm a part owner of an accountancy firm. I'm not an accountant. So it's always when people say, no, you can't do it, it's a moral opinion that they're making. They say this: if you are going to be an online fitness coach, at least be fucking in shape. Because, and at least don't just sell bullshit, make sure you have gone through a transformation yourself, because then that's what you're selling the result that you have already achieved, either yourself or you've helped somebody else with that result, because otherwise you're just going to be, your credibility is just going to go down the drain. Trust me, I was the person who was of the opinion that no, you have to be a qualified PT before you even sell a coaching program online. But turns out I've had a really good think about it, and I thought, you know what, if someone is trying to be an online fitness coach, because literally last week I met somebody online who wants to become an online fitness coach. She is in amazing shape. She's been training for 10 years, but she's in a corporate job, and she's really not happy in her corporate job, what she's doing right now. She's making good money, but she said, look, I don't have no freedom. I want to be able to travel. I see all these people on social media where they go to, Bali, and, and she deserves to live that lifestyle if that's what she wants, right? And she said, I know, but I'm not a qualified PT, and if I have to be a qualified PT, it means I'm going to have to do a 6-month course to do it properly, blah, blah, blah. And I said to her, let me tell you something. Let me give you breaking news. You don't actually have to be a qualified PT unless you want to kind of go and work in Pure Gym or in JD Gym or in some form of a physical gym. I said, if your goal is to sell the transformation and to sell the result, which you clearly have, and she has a six-pack, and let me tell you something from experience, I'm a guy and I have a six-pack, but for women to have a six-pack is even more difficult, it's even more hard because of their, I don't want to get into the science of it, but it's harder for women to get a six-pack than it is for men. And let me bring her back on track. I said to her, look, you deserve to make the money that you want for your life, for your family's life. So go and do it. But then she was scared. She was like, oh no, but I'm going to feel like I'm going to be getting judged by other PTs. I said, who are they to judge you for your life? And I'm saying all this to say, I know a lot of people that are in corporate jobs or in whatever job they're in, and they see the online fitness lifestyle and they want to do it. But guess what? You are able to do it as long as you can honestly provide a result and a transformation for someone. And I always say, you have to lead with proof. And you are the proof if you've, 1, trained, 2, you are in shape, and 3, you can help someone get a result. So why are you stopping yourself by thinking that someone is going to judge you who's probably broke, who's not making as much money as you, just because you have everything else going for yourself, and now you're going to stop yourself from making the money that you deserve? Don't do it. So I know it's an unpopular opinion, but it's a great question, because the question was, do I have to be a qualified PT to become an online fitness coach? And the answer is no. And for years, I was of the mindset, of the opinion that yes, you have to. But after thinking about it, no, you don't. You deserve to make the money that you want to do, but as long as you can get the result and transformation. So look, if you are someone who wants to build an online fitness coaching business and get 5, 10, 15 clients consistently every single month. Maybe you're at the start phase where you are currently right now in a job and you want to do this for yourself. Go in the link, apply, come and see me. Or if you are already an online fitness coach and you're just struggling to get 10, 15 clients every single month, well then also apply, come and see me in Manchester, where I'll look at your business and we'll put a plan together to help you succeed. But I should also add, who else is enjoying the sunglasses weather and the sun? I remember years ago, I used to have a bad eczema on my face, and I used to hate coming out when there was sun. I used to just want to stay in the shade. But I just hope this continues. We've had an amazing summer, and I hope it just continues.